It is sausage and pepper season, and you already know it is one of my very favorite things to eat any time of the year. But when the weather starts to turn and the grill is on, I make a grilled version. And this is so simple. I basically just cut some peppers into large pieces, not too small, otherwise they're just going to fall in between the grates on the grill. And there's nothing more aggravating than you losing your food between those grates. So I just cut them into nice large pieces and I set them aside. And then I take a red onion and I cut that into thick slices. Now listen, this is just, it's not even a recipe. This is just real home cooking where, you just grab what you have, you put it on the grill, you give it a saute, whatever. It's casual. It's always so delicious and it tends to always be everyone's favorite. You take some sausages. I'm using a combination of hot and sweet. I slice them in half lengthwise because I think they're easier to grill and they go a lot further. And if you're going to top it on a sandwich, it's much easier. Add a little bit of olive oil to everything and just pop that onto the grill to cook through. You want, of course, your sausages fully cooked through, your peppers to cook down, develop some color, just really take on that flavor of the grill. Same thing with the onions. It doesn't take very long at all. I think in total, this took like 12 minutes to cook, which is literally nothing. After that, you're just going to take them off the grill and put them on a platter. Now, this is the fun part. You can do whatever you want. I'm going to serve them as a platter, but you can just pile this up high in like a loaf of bread and make huge sausage and pepper sandwiches. You can put this with a side of rice and a side of salad, and it's just like the perfect summer meal. I also chopped up lots of parsley and chives because I wanted to add this to the top. And when everything was ready, I literally just plated everything on a platter. Very rustic, very simple, nothing too fancy, but again, proper home food. And that's just my favorite. When the sun is shining, I will definitely be out there cooking on the grill, or as you know, my little outdoor burner. A little extra virgin olive oil on top, a little drizzle of balsamic, a little pinch of salt, and those fresh chives and parsley, and that's it. Perfect, simple, delicious. Hope you love it, hope you make it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.